Well, good morning. Welcome to Southern Edition, where we bring you all the latest from south of India. I'll also be joined by Uma Sudhir in a while. But right now, joining me is the Commissioner for Thiruvananthapuram, Balram Kumar Upadhyay. Now, Kerala is being seen a spurt of cases. Tamil Nadu is almost seeing a spurt of cases practically every other day. And in Kerala also for the last 3 days, 10, and now 26. Most of these people are people who have arrived into Kerala from outside. So we have the repatriated Indians, around 7 of them. There are 7 others who came in from Mumbai, Chennai, as well as Bangalore. First train has arrived in Kerala. Around 600 people have exited in Thiruvananthapuram. So, sir, my first question. This is just the first train. There are many more trains which are going to come in. Yes. How are you going to... Chief Minister has said all of them have to be tracked, registered. Their details will be taken by the police, and police will be ensuring that they will be in the quarantines at their homes. Yeah. How is this happening on the ground?
No, it will be happening in the ground. First of all, whenever they are boarding, they have to go undergo the Covid-19 Jagrata app right from the boarding itself. That is sort of a clearance coming to Kerala.
So all of them who have exited in Kerala yesterday have got the clearance from the Jagrata portal?
99% have. Some of them could not do it, so because of their availability of internet or some things, they have been done when they have alighted here in Trivandrum.
So that's a first point of detail collection.
Detail collection. Secondly, the NIC has also software, and we have make all the 10-12 help desks in the entrance. So we collect that where exactly they are going, which will be the local self-government like Panchayat, municipality, corporation, what will be the police station there. So we take all the data there itself, and simultaneously the data are being transmitted to the concerned district and concerned police station. Because those who are alighting here may not be living in Trivandrum itself. They may be going to the nearby districts, they may be going to the Tamil Nadu also.
So how are they going? Are buses being arranged? What is it?
That also when like they enter in the city, in the Kerala, so in Bangalore we give them a pamphlet type where they fill all the details, whether they are arranging their own private vehicles, so we are aware of even the private vehicle numbers also before they alight here. Number 2, we have a KSRTC buses which are there parked, so we know these are going to which places. So that way we are transporting them to the last point, whether they are going for isolation, they are going for a hospital, or they are going to the home.
So Kerala has a 3-tier screening as well as tracking system in place, police being the first along with the health officials who are getting in contact with them.
Yes, now what happened that at the in the panchayat level, you take it, or in a ward level in the cities, so the committees have been made at the ward level.
And these include?
That includes the health official, local self-government officials, police station officials, so that they keep on tracking them, that pasting of the stickers is taking place.
So are you telling me that each of the person who's going to be coming not only from the train, but even interstate movement are going to be tracked in this way?
Yeah, this is what is, technically we started yesterday onwards that those who came from the flight, those 28 people have been tracked. Those like today 382 alighted in Trivandrum. Out of that only a few 78 or 80 will be remaining in Trivandrum. Rest will be going nearby district. So these 78 will be tracked into the system. So like for example, like 7-8 months, so many cross-border has come from the interstate road transport has come. They are also being fed into the system. So they are spread all along the police stations. Then these police stations constables, they are assigned a duty. So they visit each and every place.
So while states have repeatedly mentioned that, many states have mentioned that it's practically impossible to be tracking down to the minute details these individuals once they reach the home. Here you have a state which is saying quarantine and all the tracking will go on till the minute detail, till the very end. Do you have that kind of manpower on the ground?
Yes, that is a challenge, I think. That is a challenge to us, and we expect this number growing exponentially of the since the arrival is opening with the special flights and special trains also in the picture. So what we are telling that our constables immediately on the same day when they come, they go there. They ask them for downloading of this our Be Safe geotagging software.
What about Arogya Setu app?
That is also we are telling.
Because so apps.
So we are ensuring 2 apps. Some of them, they don't have a smartphone. So we are asking their relatives or the brothers or sisters to have that smart app with them. So with these 2 tagging that, so suppose we can't track all. So once our software tells us that he has moved out of the place. So the geotagging helps us, geofencing helps us in that. Regarding the
so all districts now with
I
geotagging?
think all are following this. Be safe. We are all districts are using.
And so why is that app important? Is because all of this results in geotagging, tracking, tracing any movement
so
of people.
So that our software in our control room will tell us that out of this 600 people, 20 have gone out of the jurisdiction. Maybe 50%, sometime maybe false because of the tower location and others. But that prompts us and our men in the motorcycles, they go visit that places and warn them again.
Right. One last question, if I can just be given like 1 minute more. Police personnel are also testing positive in Kerala.
See,
there have been cases over the last few days, including one that was tested positive yesterday. How are you looking at this?
No, see, the thing is that like the hospital staff, health workers, police is also in the front. So we see that occupational hazard as a part of job. We can't, we knowingly very well that we have a maximum chance of getting it, but it's still parts of our job. We are doing it, but at the same time, we are ensuring all precautions. Like you have seen in the railway station, we have PPE kit, the police is wearing it. So close contact with the public coming from outside, we are avoiding.
Thank you so much, sir. Well, this is what you have having. The first train also expected to leave today from Thiruvananthapuram to Delhi. That's at 7:45 in the evening, and nobody will be allowed to get off the train in districts within Kerala, even though there's Kozhikode and Ernakulam on the route map. Well, Umar, it's back to you.